Hello, everyone. Um, Today, I'm going to share with you the question on permutation and combination. Now, in this particular questions, it is a permutation question. So let's look at the question using the digits 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So over here, we have 5 choices of digits. And without repetition, we need to find how many ways of 4 digits number can be formed. So of course, we can use the NPR formula, which is the permutation formula. But given different kind of condition, I would prefer to use fill in the blank method. Now let's look at A. Now for A, the number of 4 digits number that can be formed. So we need to form 4 digits number. And since we have 5 choices of digits to fill in, that means the first empty space, we will have 5 choices, followed by 4 choices. Okay, after 2 numbers already filled into the 2 empty space, we're left with 3 choices. And after that, we left with 2 choices to fill in the last empty space. And the number of 4 digits number that can be formed can be obtained by taking 5 times 4 times 3 times 2. So the answer is 120. Pretty easy. Or you can use 5. You choose any 4 to permute. And therefore, the answer is 120. Now, for part B, using the same way, it says the number of 4 digits number that can be formed, and it has to be greater than 5,000. So 4 empty space, if it is greater than 5,000, that means only digit 5, 6, or 7 can be chosen. So out of these 3 digits, we have 3 choices to fill in the first empty space. Now, after we have chosen one of the digit, the remaining 2 will join to the main pool together with the digit 3 and 4. Therefore, we will have 4 digits for us to choose to fill in the second empty space. So we have 4 choices here. After taking one number in, we're left with 3 choices and followed by 2 choices. And from there, we can count the number of 4 digits number that can be formed, which is greater than 5,000. So take 3 times 4 times 3 times 2, 72. So we got 72 numbers to be formed under this condition. Now for part C, the number of 4-digit odd number that are less than 5,000. So same thing, less than 5,000, that means we can either fill in with 3. Now, because over here we have 2 conditions, and different condition will decide what is the number to be filled in to the back. So we have to separate it into 2 ways of the 4 empty space. Is either start with 3 or we start with 4. Now, if I choose 3 to be my first number to be filled in the first empty space, I have 1 choice there. I left with 4, 5, 6, and 7 to choose from to fill in the last empty space. We have to choose the last empty space to fill in first because we want to fulfill the odd numbers condition. So in order for it to be odd, we can only choose from 5 and 7. So we have 2 choices to go into the last digit. So when 1 already go in, so we left with 3 choices to fill in the one in the middle. Okay, and therefore for this arrangement, we will have 12 numbers to fill this condition. And if the first digit start with 4, that means we have already choose 4 to be filled in the first empty space. We're left with 3, 5, 6, and 7 to choose from to fill in the last empty space. To make it odd numbers, 3, 5, and 7 must be chosen. out of these three must be chosen to fill in the last empty space. So we have three choices at the last empty space. After we have chosen one of the number, so the rest will be, chosen, will be chosen freely to fill in the empty space in between. So now for this number, which is less than 5,000, start with 4. The number of choice will be 18. So over here, since it's OR, so we just add the total numbers of digits. So we have 30 numbers that can be formed using this fill in the blank method, which fulfill the conditions stated in part C. So that's it. If you want to know more on what is fill in the blank method, you can leave your comment down there. Maybe I'll do a more detailed explanation on how to solve the permutation question using fill in the blank method. Okay, thank you very much. I'll see you next time.